Learning German adjectives. In our journey to learn German for beginners, understanding common adjectives is crucial for effective communication. This article explores essential adjectives and their opposites, providing a foundation for constructing meaningful sentences. Importance of learning opposites. Before delving into the list of adjectives, it's essential to highlight the importance of learning them with their opposites. This approach enhances retention and comprehension, making language acquisition more effective. Adjective pairs and sentences. 1. Gross or klein, big, small. Example sentence: Ein Elefant ist größer und Maus ist klein. An elephant is big, but a mouse is small. 2. Glücklich or doof, happy, silly. Example sentence: Paul ist glücklich, aber der Roboter ist doof. Paul is happy, but the robot is silly. 3. Rage or intelligent, clever, stupid. Example sentence: Der Mann ist doof, aber ein Fuchs ist intelligent. The man is silly, but a fox is intelligent. 4. Gut or schlecht, good, bad. Example sentence: Das Essen ist gut, aber der Film ist schlecht. The food is good, but the movie is bad. 5. Licht or dunkel, light, dark. Example sentence: Das Zimmer ist hell, aber die Nacht ist dunkel. The room is light, but the night is dark. 6. Alt or jung, old, young. Example sentence: Mein Großvater ist alt, aber mein Bruder ist jung. My grandfather is old, but my brother is young. 7. Dick or dn, thick, thin. Example sentence: Die Suppe ist dick, aber die Suppe ist dn. The soup is thick, but the soup is thin. Contextual usage of alt. In German, like in English, alt has two meanings or contexts. Let's explore its usage in a sentence. Example sentence: Mein Großvater ist alt, aber mein Auto ist auch alt. My grandmother is old, but my car is also old. To recap, learning adjectives with their opposites is a powerful strategy. Here's a quick summary of the adjective discovered: gross, klein, big, small. Glücklich or doof, happy, silly. Rage or intelligent, clever, stupid. Gut or schlecht, good, bad. Licht or dunkel, light, dark. Alt or jung, old, young. Dick or dn, thick, thin. Learning German adjectives is a rewarding endeavor. If you found this guide helpful, share it with friends, subscribe to our channel for more content, and leave your comments or questions below. Auf Wiedersehen.